I'm going to demonstrate speed control on a tiny low-inductance, 3-phase brushless Maxon motor with Titan. To detect position, this motor has 3 Hall sensors, so these signals are connected to the encoder connector. Due to the low inductance of the motor, I added a 100 microhenry inductor in series to each motor line. A 12-volt DC power supply is used for the motor power. By the way, automatic motor parameter detection was used to get all the motor electrical and mechanical parameters. Now, let's servo on and run the motor at 1000 RPM. Position error is remaining constant at 0. Position is going up. And we're servo controlling at 1000 RPM. Now, I'll raise the speed to 6000 RPM. The position error is still just plus or minus 1 count. Overall, it's servoing very nicely. This is the gain setting. One thing that I had to do was increase the Kalman filter of the current noise to 1000. I hope this was helpful.